For the two apps this week, I picked Talkspace and K Health. Talkspace is an app about any therapy needs you have, and it gives you real health professionals to create a peer-to-peer aspect that allow you to talk about anything you need. What I liked about it is it's a multi-day, multi-week therapy treatment. It's not just a couple minute with talking someone over a chat room. Um, it's pretty reasonably um, processed, as in it's first set up with a couple days, and it kind of goes slow at it at first, and then it looks like throughout the weeks, um, you're taking more to steps and goals, and this healthcare provider is actually following through and making sure you're attaining these goals. And if you're not, why and how they can actually help. They give you reports, and basically, as long as you're advancing and moving forward, um, and then they give you a kind of a wrap up thing, but it can go as long as you need, really as much care as you want. The second one is K Health, which is kind of helps in any medical field. You can type in anxiety, which I did, and it gives you it asks you a bunch of reasonable questions where um, it kind of gets into you and then compares to other people. Again, this is another peer-to-peer thing, um, and I think it's pretty helpful. Both apps, I didn't see too many cons, and I really think both could be beneficial to anyone. Thanks again.